You just spent 5 hours studying. You close the book, feeling accomplished. The next day, it's like you never opened it. Sound familiar? Your brain isn't broken. You're just fighting against how it actually works. Here's what's really happening. Most of us study the same way. We read, reread, highlight everything in sight, and maybe make some notes. It feels productive, but there's a brutal truth. Your brain doesn't store information just because you looked at it. In fact, rereading something gives you a false sense of familiarity. You think, oh, I know this, when really, you just recognize it. Recognition isn't recall, and recall is what matters on test day. Here's the first problem: encoding failure. Your brain receives thousands of inputs every second, so it filters aggressively. If information doesn't seem important, it gets discarded before it even reaches long-term memory. When you passively read, your brain tags that information as not urgent. It's why you can read an entire page and retain nothing. You never encoded it properly in the first place. The solution? Active engagement. Your brain encodes information better when you're forced to use it. This is called the generation effect. Instead of rereading notes, close the book and try to explain the concept out loud. Quiz yourself. Write it from memory. The struggle itself creates stronger neural pathways. Second issue, the forgetting curve. German psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus discovered that we forget about 50% of new information within an hour and up to 70% within 24 hours. That's why cramming fails. You're piling information into a leaky bucket. But here's the hack: spaced repetition. Every time you retrieve a memory, you strengthen it and slow down forgetting. Review material after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Each retrieval makes the memory more permanent. Apps like Anki use this principle, but you can do it manually. Just don't review everything in one sitting. One more game changer: interleaving. Instead of studying one topic for hours, mix up related subjects. Study biology for 30 minutes, switch to chemistry, then back to biology. It feels harder, and that's the point. Your brain has to work to distinguish between concepts, which strengthens understanding and retention. Block practice feels easier, but interleaving creates lasting learning. So stop rereading. Start testing yourself, space out your reviews, and mix up your topics. Your brain will thank you and actually remember what you studied. If this helped, hit subscribe for more brain science that actually works.